So it's a new month, so it's time for a monthly ADC update. Some stuff's changed. So start for the wallet, it's still the Maxpedition Urban. Nothing's changed with this whatsoever. I've added a little extra to the... what is that? Where the hell did that come from? I'm genuinely surprised to find money in there. Honest to God, I didn't even know that was in there. Alright. Added a little extra to the first aid kit. And I've still got the Extrema Ratio TK tool in there, which is probably the most handiest thing I've ever purchased. Like I say, it's like the Swiss Army knife without the blades. Can opener, bottle opener, load of wrenches, pry bar, all of that sort of stuff. And honest to God, I'm really surprised I've actually found money in the wallet. I think I need to buy a separate pry bar to try and pry the wallet open sometimes to have a look inside of it. I didn't even know that £20 note was in there. So anyway, that's the wallet. The watch. So the watch is still the GA100MC. I'm going to be removing the straps and replacing those with the rubber ones, because when they get wet, they stay wet, and that's not very good for this time of year. Keychain is the exact same as the last video, I think. Spyderco Honeybee and the Phoenix NW20 whistle. Bandana, nothing's changed with that. I've got a pouch right here. Is it a Leatherman? Of course it's not a fucking Leatherman, that's sacrilege. It's still the Victorinox Spirit, the best multi-tool ever made. Born on. Just my opinion. Phoenix pouch. Still carrying the Oilite M10 Maverick. Still the best flashlight I've ever come across. And I know I keep on saying that in every video, and I will continue to say that in every video until I find something better. The knife has changed. Very sexy new knife. Well, it's not new, it's an old knife, but I've just started carrying it again. It's a Fox Whittler with a very sexy clip point blade and a long finger pull. Stainless steel bolsters, brass pins, lockback, 4mm thick blade. Made in Italy. 440 stainless steel blade, and just a very sexy knife. So that's the work knife. Ferrocerium rod by Light My Fire. Same reason for carrying that as the last time, I just like to have a ferrocerium rod. And the lighter is still a Table Flame military model. Still works flawlessly. I think I've had it for about 2 months now and never had any problems with it. And normal ADC. This is just a work knife, so for just a normal everyday use, and we'll discard this as well because outside of work I do work every day, so I do class those as ADC. But if I'm just walking around the town with friends or if I'm going fishing, I'll swap those two for just this, which is a Victorinox Ranger, and I carry that with a little strap or lanyard which attaches to the belt so I never lose it. So that is my EDC for December. Thanks for watching and goodbye.